Yo guys, Team posting about the video, and today I'm basically going to be reviewing my server, what has changed, and how you can now buy roles. So over the past a week to 3 days, I've been making this new bot, and it's called Database. So it's basically a level bot, so like you can do settings to see what the prefix is. Obviously no one else can do that because I'm owner of the server. So the prefix is this, and then if I go to settings, prefix, and then change it to that, and then if I do settings again, it doesn't reply, so I have to do this, and then settings there, and it does that. So now about the Twitch server. So this Twitch server has been updated because we just reached 400 members like yesterday, and we're already on 32. Like announcements, yeah, 400 members yesterday, 3 o'clock. Quite good actually, we're getting a lot of members. So now the prices. The way you can gain levels is by typing in chat, and my database bot will give you a level. And to check your level, go in general and do level to get your level. Obviously I'm level 3, but then for leaderboards, that's probably the wrong people. Yep. And obviously this guy is nearly close to level 10, so when he gets to level 10, he will get this role and 50 followers per command. Or you can buy it by going buying and clicking on this, and then you can buy it from here. So obviously this is the role, the first one, like it says on prices, is the first role, and then obviously it goes on, and then this, and then the bot. So when you buy this, take a screenshot of it, send it to me on Discord. Obviously you have to be in the server, go in the server and then just message it through here. And then when you have messaged me, and you have showed me the proof that you have bought this, I will give you the code, and I will give you a tutorial of how to set it up. A one-on-one tutorial of how to set the code up with the bot and make you have access to bots. So that's that done. And obviously the server's getting quite used now, and hopefully we'll get 500 members and get the server partnered. So let's try and get 500 members. And also, obviously, I don't know what else to say. I need to edit this because like you can refund. Might as well edit it right now. Might as well pin it. Right. So that's that. And obviously to get the roles level, roles to stack, and I will be doing a separate video on the database bot. So, and all the credits will go to Fusion Terra, the person who made me help us make this bot. YouTube channel on the screen now. Didn't help us, obviously I followed his tutorials, go subscribe to him. He's a good content creator, does good stuff. He's a good coder, helps us make bots. Well, I watch his YouTube videos, obviously he's quite good at them. So yeah, if you wanna come join the server, try and get to 500 members so I can get the server partnered, and obviously come here, verify, then you'll get sent to Twitch or whatever. Yeah, this is a quick video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment, and goodbye.